Hello, I am Iñaki. I grew up in the Basque Country. I love to be in touch with the people and to be in touch with nature and relate both things. In the boat you get to know a lot of people from all the countries, from the United States, from France, Spain, all Europe. Every time they come here they are really surprised with the nature that they can discover. They are really surprised with the volcanoes, with the waterfalls. And I love to spread the knowledge that I have about the island. I like to recommend them places to visit, hidden spots that maybe no tourists visit usually. So I think it's a really exchange of information and a really nice connection that we create in the boat with them. During the days that we cannot go out to the sea because of weather conditions, we stay in the office and we do investigation. We do many different activities. For example, one of the most special ones for me, because I like environmental education a lot, is to work with kids. We go to the schools and we do activities with them so that they get to know the nature they have. And I think they enjoy it a lot and they feel very rewarded from the information we give them.
Okay.
One of my best experiences here in Futurismo was a normal whale watching day, and we arrived to a group of bottlenose dolphins. We were enjoying them, they were boat riding, they were really close to the boat. And the vigia, the lookout, they told us there was something else. We started to look around to see if we could find any other animal, and suddenly a huge group of hundreds individuals of false orca approached to us. They started swimming along with the bottlenose. Our guests, they could see that the crew were really into that moment. Maybe the best one since I started working here. Azores was always on the top of my head. It was always a destination that I wanted to discover since years ago. I haven't just traveled, I really like to establish and to get to know the culture of the places where I am. And definitely Azores stands out as one of my favorite destinations.